Hi, my name's Don Egan and this is Walks and Wonders. So what is Walks and Wonders all about? It's really at the end of 2018 I decided to start videoing some of the walks my family and friends go on. And really I've been into walking and hiking since I was a teenager. This was when I used to go to a youth club. A couple of the leaders got me into hiking in the Lake District, and on and off since then. I've enjoyed walking and wandering and hiking, especially in the countryside. So Walks and Wonders is just a series of videos I'm making about my walks and wonders. Walks and wonders for me are often with my wife, sometimes with my daughters, sometimes with the whole family, including the grandson. Often when we go on holiday, we go on walking holidays, and so we just wanted to build a bank of memories that we could get to, and video memories as the years go by. But then I thought, well, why not just put them online and then anyone can share them. They may give you ideas for a walk that you want to do, or you may see a place that you've not been to, or you may see a place you have been to but you've not seen the walk that we do before. So hopefully these videos will be good even if you don't want to walk and actually you just want to make a cup of tea and sit down and watch someone else walk and just take in the countryside. All our walk videos and further information are on walksandwonders.com, and there you'll find all the information about us and also information about other goodies too. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.